Good evening, everyone. This video is going to be a support session and trading review for November the 1st, 2023. Today was an FOMC day, so I traded Paper Trader today and said I was going to try to be kind of patient. And for the most part, I pretty much was. So I even had one pre-market trade. Probably wouldn't have taken it if I was on real money. But anyway, I had one pre-market trade, and so just wanted to start off with that. Everything was going in that direction. The market was relatively happy today, even though it was FOMC day. Volume was pretty good, and it was moving. A lot of expectations going on. Okay, so here's the open, as you can see. Right, we're already underneath all the flexes, right, and it was bouncing here between the EMA and the minute average and broke down through it. So I took a short trade here and took another short trade here, right, as it was bouncing away from the EMA. So those were the first two trades during the market time. Better delete that before I can't find my arrows again for the next trade. Okay, so we did have 6:45 news, so was trying to maintain ourselves for the 6:45 news. So that would have hit about here, right? And then took a long trade there and was out. Took another long trade here and was out as well. This one might have been a little bit aggressive. I mean, it was still wanting to go, but it came back underneath and was underneath the fastest flex. But ultra flex was still moving up. And let's see. Then we had 7 o'clock news, and this was a little bit more volatile than I thought it was going to be. But it settled back down. Took a long trade here and was out. And then it wanted to come back down. I waited for a while just to see if it was going to bounce, but it didn't. And so took a short trade here. Got out right at the open. And let's see. I know there's at least one more trade. Maybe a couple more trades. All right, so here we are above everything, right? Above everything with volume. Easy trade. And let's see what else. One more. This one was kind of pushing it. I was a little bit late to the trade. Well, I mean, maybe I just took the opportunity, right? Because it was going into the all session high. Everything was in alignment. But I did need another tick or so from an all session high to get out. But then I got it. I guess I could have pushed it even further here, right? But chose not to. There's one more trade, I believe. One more trade. Where's it at? Here it is. Okay, then again, clearing everything, right? And had volume. So maybe could have gotten in a little bit earlier, but I didn't get in until here and was out of the trade. So that was the last trade of the day. 10 points on Paper Trader. So maybe I would have not taken all of those if I was on real money. So, but still could have been into the 7 or 8 point day. So a reasonable day and reasonable trading for an FOMC day. FOMC statement was to leave interest rates flat. Highly anticipated, no surprise there. I tried to listen to the FOMC conference call, but it kept kicking me out, so I couldn't really make any comment on that because they wouldn't let me stay in. So anyway, that's really all it was today. Get back to real money tomorrow. So we will see you in the trading room tomorrow morning.